Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel.
Resurge review. Hi, my name is Emily and I am shy to speak in the mic. So, I use this awesome robotic voice to create unbiased product reviews. Resurge is a tablet that you take as a dietary supplement to help slow down the aging process in terms of metabolism. As we get older, weight gain becomes the huge problem as the metabolism process is disturbed. Resurge helps to get these signs of aging under control and also promises a controlled weight loss. As the product is made exclusively from natural substances, it has no side effects. Key ingredients. Magnesium. It helps in relieving constipation, strengthening bones and treating migraines. Zinc. It helps in promoting a healthy skin, eliminating prostate disorder, enhancing mental health and sharpening eyesight. Ashwagandha. It helps in stimulating thyroid gland, ideal for diabetes, maintaining cholesterol levels, treating cancer and supporting immune system. Arginine. It helps in blood circulation, promoting healthy weight loss, preventing hair loss and reversing the aging process. Pros: easy to take. Lose weight practically in sleep. No side effects or risks. Results start to show within 1 month. Suitable both for men and ladies. 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons: not available in supermarket or general stores. Not suitable for kids under 14. Can be bought from the official website only. To avail the best discount from the official website of the manufacturer, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.